This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Literally on our way from Bundaberg Beach to Airlie Bay. We're going to Airlie Bay and then Airlie Bay to Bundaberg. And then we're going to spend a night in Bundaberg. So let's go. Just got off the bus, we're in Airlie Bay, and there's actually so many food restaurants and places to eat. So we don't know where we want to go yet. I can smell KFC big time, but I don't know. We're going to have a little browse. My voice is going, it's basically gone really since the Fraser Island, so that's great. I'll show you, you've got loads of food places. There you go, that's probably easier. Hungry Jack's is good. It's basically Burger King, but they don't have the rights to Burger King, but New Zealand does. Make it make sense. Playing the arcade if we wanted to. That bus was like supposed to be about 2 hours, I think it was. It's 4:30 now, and we've got 2.5 hours here. And then we've got another 2-hour bus to Bundaberg. It's going to Kmart quickly because we need like a charger. Because our charger's only a USB-C, but the bus is in like 20 minutes, so we've had to just like pop everything in the trolley just to make it quicker because it's too heavy otherwise. So we're inside like some little complex thing and trying to find Kmart. Oh no, where is it? So we've got what we needed to do, but we're rocking up to the bus. The bus is literally here with a trolley. It's so bad. So we've literally just stopped at after like, I don't know, how long have we been on the bus? Huh? How long have we been on the bus? An hour and a bit. And we've just stopped off at the petrol station for 20 minutes. But our bus stop is literally 3 minutes down the road. Huh?
Stopped it for half hour.
Oh, we stopped here for half hour. But the bus stop's literally 3 minutes down the road. But it's like an hour walk. Yeah. So we're just gonna suck it up and stretch our legs for it. 4.5 hours. See a Bundaberg in Bundaberg. We haven't even tried the peach one. The peach one looks so good. I don't think I've tried any of those. Oh my god! Look how lush. A large hot chocolate and 2 for $5.50 12. Let's go. So if this is a bit shaky because I'm walking, but we've just arrived in Bundaberg and it's like the cutest little town, although we haven't been around it yet, but it looks kind of cute. There was 4 of us who got off the coach, me and James obviously, and pardon?
Including us too.
Yeah, including us too, and then this other couple. And they're doing the exact same thing, breaking up the journey, going to the Bundaberg factory tomorrow, and then going to Airlie Beach. So these are not the only ones, but we're heading to Bunk now. And then we'll probably get a good early night. We have arrived. Yeah, it does think of petrol because we're next to the petrol station. Duh. So this is our room, pretty chuffed. Because that's cool. And we were like, oh, the light switch's not working. It's because it's here. No, look, James. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a blind. That's brilliant. Better than a curtain.
That's what I would have it.
And we have towels. Our towels are so minging because of Fraser Island. And I know that sounds gross, but if you're a backpacker, you know.
Apparently, I belong in Bundaberg.
We just got off the bus. It was, wait, what's the time? It took about 15-20 minutes, and we're actually at the Bundaberg one, the barrel one, not the rum one, because we don't drink. And it actually looks like a barrel, which is so cool. But anyways, the bus was $4. How much was the bus? $4.80. $4.80 for 2 people, one way. $2.40 each. But let me show you this place.
Welcome to my house. Enter please.
Big barrel. So if you didn't know, Bundaberg, which is this town, is also a very popular Australian drink. They're very well known for their ginger beer, although I've gone the wrong way. But also they have some really lovely flavours. They're actually so good, and I believe they're caffeine free as well, which is amazing. Let's go try some drink.
That's what we got.
Oh, we get this red custom pack, which is cool. It's nice and aircon.
Like those ones, it's yes, that's right.
The Evolution. This is my favourite. I think it's cool. I do like the fact that there's a kangaroo on these, but the bottle shape. This is the proper Bundaberg bottle shape. James likes this one in the middle.
So we've got our 6-pack ready, but we're going to taste all the flavours, and we'll be filling these up with our favourite flavours later on.
I'm so excited. I've just seen a pineapple and coconut one, which is going to be like Malibu.
Ginger beer's not
Or
got
pina
beer in it.
colada. Hasn't got beer in it?
No caffeine. Lovely. So if you don't fancy drinking rum and going to the rum distillery, come here and try the soft drinks. Walking through. Wow. Wow. It's like the Willy Wonka factory of oh my god, it literally is that. It's like the Willy Wonka factory of Bundaberg. Look at the oh my god, look at the conveyor belt.
This is so cool.
That's crazy.
Look at the different flavours.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to try all of these. I don't know about, do you reckon they'll have the spiced ginger beer?
Come here.
Because this is festive.
How do you say that? Sarsaparilla?
Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla.
You gotta say it with an Aussie accent.
Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla.
Bitter.
Burgundy cream soda.
Traditional lemonade, I bet that's nice.
Some mad flavour.
Just shook it.
Look, this looks festive. I don't know if they'll have that now. Cinnamon.
Yeah, look, it's like a Christmas
Cinnamon
tree.
and
The barrels
cloves.
are like a
Festive
Christmas
flavours of cinnamon and cloves.
tree.
Guava.
Blood orange, pink grapefruit, peach. I'm gonna try that. I reckon this is gonna be one of my faves. We already have tried this, so I don't know if I'll get that. That looks nice. And this, the floor is really cool. These things, you spray and you smell it, and then you show it what it is here. I lifted this up before I realised what you do. So I'm gonna get Jameson to see what these two are. I got this one wrong. James, come here. Press the button. This is gonna spray stuff out, and you need to smell it.
What?
And guess what it is? No. The button. No, it comes out quite strong.
What?
Look. No, just a smell.
The coconut.
Yeah.
What's this?
Take that one. This one I got wrong. What do you think this one is? You're tasting it. What is it?
So strong. It smelled like before.
Okay, what is it? Don't. No. You got to guess first. Have a look at the things behind you if you need.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Have a look.
Or what?
Or what?
Or
Come on.
guava. Pink grapefruit or guava. Passion fruit. What? That
I know.
not passion. Look at the ginger. Ginger. Oh, no, it's a ginger grinder. ginger.
It's actually crazy how much goes into like the drink that you're just drinking or accidentally spilling.
Yeah, like seeing all
The
this stuff.
steps that it goes through.
Yeah,
And then
that
this,
ginger came.
like it begins from obviously the soil, and
Can I
then
turn
it doesn't do anything. I have turned it, but yeah, that's what he'd look like if he works in the factory. But then it's nice and you dry it and you grind it into this flour. It's like a 360 view.
Alright, we're gonna start getting a full night sleep.
Brewery.
Yeah, we just got to run the bus.
Okay, maybe not this one. This one, for example. Yeah.
That's so funny.
And you do it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's $7, but they're like stickers.
And you've got I don't know what this is. So like 21 degrees Celsius?
John's in the bubble.
I did.
You can personalise your own one. Look. Here you go, I'm going to give it a go. Right, take the picture.
This is what it's going to look like.
Then we're going to personalise it as Cam and James.
Or were they serving on the world?
No,
Sell them?
you know, like when you watch the movies and you see like the sun, like with Santa and the elves, it's all like lit up with like different times around the world and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what that reminds me of.
Look at these are. Look at these little mugs. See us in it. But isn't that giving like Willy Wonka? Like if Willy Wonka brewed soft drinks. Bundaberg. Oh snap! Proper radar. That's what he looked like. For a guess of 6, the ones I think I'm gonna like is pineapple, coconut, tropical, definitely the peach. Oh, the tropical mango, sorry. So that's 1, 2, 3. I already like the passion fruit, lemonade, and then lime.
55-year-old this flavour is. The OG ginger beer.
Quite a lot, and every single drop gets made here locally first. So our brewery is directly out behind us.
Right, give it a go.
We ship it on out throughout the rest of the world. Now you're only going to find ginger in 3 flavours: our ginger beer, our sarsaparilla, and our Christmas seasonal spice. Now that Christmas one, as said, it is a seasonal flavour, so it is only made once
good.
a year.
It's
So once
alright.
it's but our next flavour to try,
That's good.
lemon.
Proper rooty one, and apparently,
Sarsaparilla.
she says small
All
sip.
roast ginger root.
Go on, go. Small sip, so gulps it.
If you're not keen on it, it can be. It has a very medicinal smell and taste to it. So
Yeah.
it has a little bit like cross mixture of mouthwash, a little bit like toothpaste as well.
Let's have that. Peach.
Peaches. That's nice. Some sort of merged in one in my mouth. I just had to drink some water to like let it down a little bit.
Pineapple and coconut. I'm setting high expectation. Apparently you get the pineapple,
Tastes
then the
like alcohol,
coconut, and it gets
coconut.
creamier to go along.
It does taste like a bit of pina colada.
How are you finding it? Not too bad?
It's good.
Yeah?
Passion fruit's still.
Got the exact same. Me and James. See, look, Bundaberg ginger beer brewed for Cam and James. Way. That's so funny.
Right.
And you got 6 of these stickers, so if puts 2 on each. You don't have to get ginger beer, but we did because why not? And it's actually decent. Got passion fruit, pineapple and coconut. You got the peach one. Turn it around. Oh, you got the peach one. You got the tropical mango, and then we got the blood orange. Literally, we both got exactly the same. I was thinking of getting the grape one, but it's basically Vimto. The cloudy lemonade, or the lemonade was good, but it's basically
Sarsaparilla was
it's like
medicine.
cloudy lemonade. Yeah, the sarsaparilla, that one. Literally, that's mine. Literally tasted like cough medicine. It was disgusting. But the ginger beer wasn't actually that bad. The lime lemon bitters was a bit. It was. So what? It smelt worse than it tasted. Quite a few of them smelt a bit, but tasted better. So, but yeah, it's actually a really fun activity. So
Not too expensive.
not too expensive. It was like what, 18 bucks?
20 quid for the tour.
20 quid for the
Like
tour
pounds.
for 2 people.
Yeah.
So like £10 each for the tour. You get to see a little bit of the history, and then the stickers, which you don't have to get, are $7. And you get 6 of them. It's a nice little activity to do. We've got 6 drinks now, banging, which are tasty, and we've shortened the trip. And then tonight at like 5 to 9, we're heading to Airlie Beach. It's like a 10-11 hour bus. And it's not even like the Vietnam buses, they're like upright, it's like a coach. So it's like, but at least we've cut it a little bit shorter. Some people, I don't know where it starts, but some people are doing 15, some people said 16, 17, so 10 hours. We done it to sit from Sydney to wherever our first stop was, can't remember. But yeah. It's 2:30. That literally took us like half hour to do it all. Although we got here at 1:30 to be fair. Done the museum-y history bit. We were thinking of going to the beach, but obviously this town is like so remote that like, it said it, I don't know, there's like hardly any buses, but if we want to go to the botanical gardens as well, it's gonna take us like 7 hours. What?
But they have a zoo here and it's free to enter, and they have dingoes, kangaroos and stuff. Closes at 4:30, 2 hours time, so we're gonna head there.
Oh, there we
So,
go.
what we do?
What with these?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Do you just walk this back?
These are getting harder to hold by the minute. I'm scared they're gonna fall, and then obviously they're, what's it called? They're glass. But we just had a taxi. We just got an Uber. here to make it quicker because it closes. I don't know how big it is, but oh, there's a bird. Yeah, the taxi guy or the Uber guy was nice. Chatting about boxing, obviously. He's a pretty bird. Huh?
Yeah.
So if that goes,
Yeah, I'm saying, back in 2006. Yeah, it's hitting his gut.
I can hear that.
Oh. You are a horrible animal.
James, don't say that.
Oh, scaring me. I'm going to see the dingoes.
Oh.
So we're just speaking to Shane, and he works here full time, gets paid and funded by the council, the zoo, and it's been here for 112 years. And yeah, it's always been free to enter, so they've kept it that way. And it's a really cool little spot. So if you're in the Bundaberg and you fancy doing a little stopover, go get yourself some drinks. Maybe do it the other way around, so you haven't got to carry the drinks around the zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe come see the zoo first and then get the drinks. But wicked spot to come chill out. Dingoes, emus, wallabies, kangaroos, all sorts, and birds. Yeah, we love animals, so come and have a look. And
Although that emu was kind of scaring us.
Yeah, we did
Doing like a I'm gonna look it up.
Yeah, what noise is that? If you know, drop it in the
Siri.
comments. Oh, Cam's looking it up. So I was just looking at the window. Look, it's the marmoset. He's staring at me. Look at him. Hello, little man. It's your bum.
He's really cute.
Yeah. They're marmosets, isn't they, I think?
I have no idea.
Oh. It's a tamarin. And he's chilling over here.
It's not a marmoset.
No, it's a tamarin. No, he's having a little munch. Look at the dingo, he's finally come out for a bit of sunbathing. I don't understand how these creatures can be vicious.
Like a normal dog. Obviously, he is just a wild dog. So, like, in my theory is that it's just like they locked up a wild dog on the street of like Bali.
I think it's just like a
I
miscommunication.
think it's a miscommunication. I
Like-
reckon they could be a pet.
Yeah.
And do you know what I mean? If someone's coming into your home and like attacking you, then
Yeah.
obviously you're gonna be aggressive. So then
You're
they've
gonna
got
be
a bad
hostile.
name. It's like bullies.
So we just found out this one's name's Kapali.
With a little ear twitch
Yeah.
when we said
Ready?
two names.
Kapali!
Can you hear us anymore? I just looked up why emus do that like drumming sound. Apparently it's only the females, and it's to do with like during courtship and like breeding season, and you can hear it from up to 1.2 miles away, which is 2 kilometers. Insane. Well, I don't know if we can hear it, but they can hear it from that far away, which is crazy. But the females are the only ones that do it, and they do it to warn other females to like get away from my man, or it's to summon their man. So yeah, I wonder if it was a boy girl in there because there was 2 of them. I don't know.
That's true.
We're back now, absolutely sweating. It is like nearly 4 o'clock and we have a bus at like 5 to 9. So yeah, but next video will be about Airlie Beach. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I apologise about my voice. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.